Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle,
I am Leo, king of the jungle. All creatures great and small bow before me.
Yes, Your Majesty, you're the greatest.
And the loudest?
but not everyone was impressed by Leo's grand proclamations.
What a fun tale to slide on.
What's this? A tiny mouse dares to disturb my royal nap.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Great Leo. I didn't mean to wake you.
Sorry? You'll be sorry when I'm done with you.
Oh, please spare me. I promise I'll help you someday.
You? Help me, that's rich.
It's true. I may be small, but I have a big heart.
Oh, all right. Run along, little one. You're not worth my time.
Thank you, Leo. You won't regret this.
But fate had other plans for our proud lion.
Psst, there he is, the perfect trophy, ready the net.
What's this? How dare you try to trap the king?
But Leo's strength was no match for the hunter's clever trap.
Help, I'm trapped. Is there no one who can save the king of the jungle?
Leo's mighty roars echoed through the jungle, reaching a tiny pair of ears.
That sounds like Leo. He's in trouble.
Without hesitation, the little mouse raced towards the sound.
Don't worry, Leo. I'll save you.
You? But how?
With my sharp teeth and big heart, of course.
Time to collect our prize.
Almost there, Leo. Just one more rope.
You can do it, little one. I believe in you.
With a final snap, the net fell away.
We're free. Run.
No, come back!
Safe at last. Leo turned to his tiny savior.
You saved me. I was wrong about you, little one.
That's what friends are for, Leo.
Friends? Yes, I'd like that. What's your name, brave one?
I'm Max. Max the Mighty Mouse.
From this day forward, every creature in this jungle will be treated with respect. Hooray for Leo and Max.
And Leo and Max's friendship became a legend in the jungle, reminding everyone that great things often come in small packages. And so, Leo learned that true strength comes in all sizes, and that kindness is the mightiest power of all.